Now we're going to continue onward in our entity dictionary creation, where we are putting current 4D position as our key, our string key, and that key's value is another dictionary. And we need to talk about what random.uniform is and how that works. The random.uniform function generates random decimal numbers, what we call floating point numbers, within a specified range. This is different from random.choice, which selects from existing options. So let's look at this syntax. Random.uniform, open parentheses, and close parentheses. Inside of that, we have a -100, a comma, a space, and then a positive 100. So we're taking two parameters, the minimum value of -100, and that second value is the maximum value. It then generates a random decimal number anywhere between those two bounds. So our random.uniform -100 to +100 might produce values like -47.3 or 82.1 or even 0.0, any decimal number within that range with equal probability. This creates a realistic 4D positioning for our entities. In real physics, particles don't just exist at whole number coordinates like 5, 10, or 15. They exist at precise fractional positions like 47.382 or -23.917 or 8.445. Notice we're generating 4 coordinates. You see the x, the y, the z, and the w. The first 3, x, y, and z, are the traditional 3D spatial coordinates we understand already. But w represents that 4th spatial dimension, which is what makes our entities truly 4-dimensional beings. Each entity gets random positioning in 4D hyperspace. One entity might appear at coordinates 47.3, -82.1, 15.7, -63.4, while another appears in another set of coordinates. This creates realistic spatial distribution where entities can manifest anywhere within our defined 4D boundaries. That's one of the cool things about math, because we can't necessarily always perceive things, but we can work with math in a way that can explain things that we're not able to perceive, in this case as 3D beings. The uniform distribution means every decimal value in the range has equal probability. There's no bias toward the center or edges of our 4D space. This mirrors real spatial physics where particles can exist at any precise coordinate with decimal precision.